darkness, my old friend. Got to talk with you again. Because a vision softly creeping left its seeds along the simple. And the vision was that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. Restless dreams all walked alone. Now the streets of cobblestone. Neath the halo of this street light, I'll turn my collar to the cold and the damp. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of neon light, and sweet the night and touched the sound of silence. In the night I saw 10,000 people living alone. People talking without speaking. People hearing without listening. People writing songs with voices never shared. No one dared disturb the sound of silence. Fools that I do not know. Silence like a cancer rose. Hear my words and all my attitude. Take my arms and I might reach out to you. But my words, like silent raindrops fell. And echoed in the wells of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon garden. And the sun flashed its warning